Hi. This is a wooden toy. But what is this toy? It is a cube, with hollow sides shaped like numbers. Now, I know. We have to patch those holes, with the right numbers. Let's start from the top side of the cube. This is number 0. Then, number 1. Continue, to the side below. This is number 2. And number 3. We turn the cube, to the side next to it. This is number 4. And number 5. Let's turn the cube again. This is number 6. And number 7. Let's turn the cube again. This is number 8. And number 9. We have patched all the numbers holes. Now, I want all those numbers to be put into a cube. So we need this hammer to hit, and push those numbers. This is number 0. Then, number 1. This is number 2. And number 3. This is number 4. And number 5. This is number 6. And number 7. This is number 8. And number 9. All the numbers have been put into the cube. Please, like, and subscribe this channel.